Hello dear students, today we are going to do the sixth chapter of a book Hornbill, that is the Browning version written by Terence Rattigan. This chapter is basically a play, and the play is set in the school, which is about a boy Taplow who is 16 years old, and he stays back after the school to complete the extra work which is given by his teacher Crocker Harris. And the beginning scene is just a conversation between Taplow and another teacher, Frank. Do I know you? No, sir. What's your name? Taplow. The teacher asks, do I know you? What's your name? And he answers Taplow. Taplow, no, I don't. You're not a scientist, I gather. So the teacher says, Frank, he said, I don't think you are a scientist. No, sir. I'm still in the lower fifth. I can't specialize until next term. That's to say, if I have got my remove all right. He says, no, I'm still in lower fifth and I cannot go in next term till I get my remove. Removements till I get my result. Don't you know if you have got your remove? So the teacher asks, don't you know till now your result is out or not? So he says, no sir, Mr. Crocker Harris does not tell us the results like the other master. So he says, no, I have not got my result till now. I don't know I'll go in next class or not because our teacher Crocker Harris, he doesn't tell like other teachers about the result. Why not? Well, you know what he's like, sir. He said, you already know, sir, which type of teacher he is, Crocker Harris. I believe there's a rule that from results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of term. And Frank says, the teacher says, there is a rule because the result will be announced by headmaster at the last day of term. Yes, but who else pays attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? Means he wants to say that other teachers are so lenient and so good, they tell us the result before announcing it, but only Crocker Harris is the teacher who follows the rules properly. Other teacher, they don't even listen to it. I admit, but that's no criterion. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate, have you? He said, I admit that's not the criteria, but anyhow you have to wait till tomorrow to know about your fate, what would have happened in your result. Yes sir. Supposing the answer is favorable, what then? So the teacher asked, if the answer will be favorable, it means if you will get your nice results. So what will we do after? You will do after that? Oh, science, sir, of course. He said, I'll take science. Yes, we get all the slackers. So the teacher said, yes, sadly he said, yes, we get all the slacker, all the lazy people we get there in science. Taplow, protestingly, I'm extremely interested in science, sir. He said, no, I'm not a lazy boy. I'm extremely interested in science. Frank, are you? I'm not at least in the science I have to teach. And the teacher says, I teach science, but I'm not interested in science at all. Taplow, well, anyway, sir, it's good deal more exciting than this muck. He said, yes, it's science is very interesting, very exciting than this muck. Muck means the useless thing, indicating his book. He had a book in his hand. He said the book is muck. The book is useless, and science is very interesting. What is this muck? So the teacher asked, what is this muck? What is this useless thing? He said, the Taplow said, Aeschylus, sir, the Agamemnon, and your considered view is that Agamemnon is muck. He said this is a book written by a Greek dramatist Aeschylus, and the book name is the Agamemnon. So the Frank says, the teacher says, do you think this Agamemnon is the book which is a muck? Taplow, well, no, sir. I don't think the play is muck exactly, I suppose in a way. He said, no, exactly it's not a muck, it's not useless. But I suppose in a way it's rather a good plot, really. He said the plot is good. A wife murdering her husband, all that. In this, what is the plot, what is the story? Wife is killing her husband. I only meant the way it's taught to us. He said that the way it is taught to us, that is a muck, that is useless. Otherwise, the story is very good. Just a lot of Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. He said because there are so many Greek words strung together means woven together, written together, and 50 lines if you get them wrong. And if you get them wrong, then you will not understand the chapter properly. You sound a little bitter, Taplow. I am rather, sir. He said, you are sounding very bitter. He said, yes, sir, I am. Captain, Stay, he said, okay, Captain Min, stay back after school for your punishment, whatever is given. No, sir, extra work. He said, no, it is not punishment, it is extra work. Extra work on the last day of school. So teacher was surprised that the boy has got extra work on the last day of school. Taplo. Yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. You would think he would have enough to do anyway himself, considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. So here I am. And look at the weather, sir. He said, if I would not have been here, I have been playing golf. And it is just my punishment because last week one day I was absent because I was not well. Bad luck. Still there is one comfort. You are pretty well certain to get your removed tomorrow for being a good boy in taking extra work. So teacher said, no problem. But you have a bad luck, but it's okay because tomorrow you are going to get your results, and like a good boy you are doing extra work here. Well, I am not so sure, sir. That would be true of the ordinary master. All right, he said, I am still not sure I'll get my remove tomorrow result tomorrow or not. They just would not dare not to give a chap a remove after he's taking extra class. He said if other teacher would have been there, they would definitely give the results to a boy who is doing extra work. But those sorts of rules don't apply to the croc. But he said these type of rules don't apply to the Croc, his teacher Crocker Harris. I asked him yesterday outright if he had given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir? He said, I asked him yesterday, have you given me result? Means I am going to be promoted or not? But he said, no. Taplo, imitating a very gentle, rather choti voice. My dear Taplo, I have given you exactly what you deserve. So he was imitating his teacher. He said, when I asked him, have you given me promotion or my result? So he was imitating his teacher. In the same voice he was speaking. My dear Taplo, I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less and certainly no more. So this was the reply of the teacher when he asked Sir Crocker Harris about the result. He said, I have not given you more, I have not given you less. I have given you whatever you deserve. Do you know, sir, I think he may have marked me down rather than up for taking extra work. He said, maybe my teacher must have marked me down rather than up. I mean, the man's hardly human. He said that person is hardly human. The teacher is not human. He is very strict and he must have put me down rather than putting me up. He breaks off quickly. Sorry, sir. Have I gone too far? Now he realizes that what he is speaking, whatever he is speaking in front of another teacher. So he said, I have gone so far, so sorry for that. Yes, much too far. Sorry, sir. I got carried away. He says, sorry, sir, for speaking so much. I got carried away. I got emotional and I have told everything to you. Frank, evidently, he picks up a newspaper and opens it. A tableau. Yes, sir. What was that Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it, would you? He said, tell me what did that sir tell you, Crocker Harris? Imitate it again. My dear Tableau, I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less and certainly no more. He said, my sir said, I have given you exactly what you deserve. Exactly what you deserve, not less, not more. In the same voice he was speaking. Frank, not in the least like him. Read your nice Aeschylus and be quiet. He said, now be quiet and read your book, whatever you have in your hand. Tableau with dislike. Aeschylus. He was giving the expression of dislike. Frank. Look, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here? So the teacher asked which time your sir said he would be here. He said 6:30.